Hey guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to another video. So about a week ago, Chris and I bought my very first real Christmas tree. And as you can see, it's a quirky looking fella. So I definitely could have gone for a Christmas tree that looked more perfect. But something about this tree's imperfection seemed really cute to me, and I just couldn't help but buy it. So after placing the tree in the house and decorating it, I suddenly had an idea for how I wanted to fill the gap. The idea was to make a gingerbread treehouse to place inside the gap. For inspiration, I searched photos of gingerbread houses on Pinterest and imported one of the images as a canvas background in Fusion 360. I then measured the gap in the tree and the diameter of the center bark to determine the measurements of the house and started 3D modeling. I wanted to create piped icing for the roof similar to the icing in the gingerbread house image. In order to create this, I selected Create Form, sketched a star profile and then extruded it. I then continued to extrude the form and manipulate it until I was happy with the overall shape. After finishing the form, I then copied and moved the piped icing form to cover the edges of the roof. Next, I modeled the icing that covers the top of the roof. To do this, I created a sketch on the front plane of a wavy spline and cut the faces of the roof to project the sketch onto the roof sides. I then went to the surface editing workspace and created offset faces from the top faces of the roof that I just created. After that, I selected the Thicken tool and then clicked the offset faces that I just created to thicken and join to the top of the roof. I then rounded off the curved edges with the filler tool to make it look more like icing that was dripping down. Next, it was time to model the icing that goes along the corners and the bottom edges of the house. I did this by selecting Create Form, clicking the Pipe tool, and then clicking the edge that I wanted to create icing for. Once I had the pipe model, I then manipulated and changed the pipe shape to look more like icing. After I was done modeling the icing, I modeled and added the windows and door. I made the white parts of the windows and door separate pieces to print separately. I modeled candy canes that I added to the side of the house and then topped the roof off with colorful spheres. In order to be able to attach the house around the tree, I cut the house in half and added holes for magnets in each half. I decided to print the house halves with the icing attached to the main bodies. And created yellow and pink wall and roof panels to print separately and glue onto the sides of the house later. Once everything was printed, I inserted the magnets and glued everything together. Anyway guys, I rushed to get this video out before Christmas and I'm glad that I got it done. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!